Welcome. With Claude connected to HaasOnline, the hard part is already behind you. Your agent can see your bots, your scripts, and your backtests. What follows makes it genuinely good at working with them. A few minutes of setup gives Claude the context it needs to arrive at every session, already knowing your platform, your plan, and your rules. Ask it a question, and it gets straight to the work. Everything you'll need comes from haas.bot/AI project instructions. No account, no license. 4 files make the trip: cloud.md and 3 SKILL.md files. Note where they land. Skills go to your account. The project goes to your disk. 2 different places, and conflating them is how this setup usually stalls. The 4 steps: Step 1, check first. Claude Desktop app, a Claude Pro or Max or Team or Enterprise plan, the MCP connector already added, and standard Pro or Trade server on the HaasOnline side. Starter has no agent access at all. No configuration rescues it. Step 2. Download. Take cloud.md from project-instructions, or self-hosted.md if you run your own trade server, since the 2 editions expose different tools. Then the skill.md from each of the 3 folders under skills. Direct downloads, nothing to unpack. All 3 skill files share the same name, so rename them as you save. Step 3. Install the skills. Upload a skill, 1 file at a time. They're account level, which is why they go in before the project exists. Step 4. Create the project. Start from scratch. Name it, describe the work, give it a real folder on your disk, then paste the whole of cloud.md into the instructions. That's the overview. Now let's go through the step-by-step setup guide. 5 things before you start: the Claude Desktop app and a Claude Pro, Max, Team, or Enterprise plan. The HaasOnline connector already added. If not, watch Connect an AI agent first. A standard Pro or Trade server plan or a trial. Starter has no agent access, and 2 sets of files. Step 1 happens outside Claude. Go to the link on screen, the haas.bot/AI project instructions, and select project-instructions, cloud.md. Click the download button and save it for use later. Now the skills. Expand the skills folder and download the skill.md file under each of the 3 subfolders. Now we have everything needed to configure the Claude Desktop app. Let's add the skills. In the Claude Desktop app, open Claude Settings. Navigate to Skills, click Add and select Upload a Skill. Add the skill.md files one by one. Once completed, exit the Settings menu. Instructions are the constitution. Skills are the manuals on the shelf. Instructions load into every task whether you need them or not, so they stay general. A skill sits dormant until the work calls for it. Now it's time to create the Cowork projects. In the left-hand navigation, select Projects and click on New Project. Name it something you'll recognize in a list 6 months from now. HaasBot Trading works. The description isn't decoration. Claude reads it when deciding which project a task belongs to, so describe the work. HaasOnline Cloud Automation, Haas Script Development, Backtesting and Live Bot Monitoring. Then choose where it lives on your computer. People skim this, and it pays off most. Everything the agent produces, script backups before it edits, exported decision data, backtest results, lands in a real folder you own. Pick somewhere you'll look. If you keep strategies in version control, point it there and let it commit alongside you. Open the instructions, the standing guidance applied to every task, and paste in the whole of cloud.md. Don't trim it. It looks long because it is long and every section is working. Golden rules. What must happen before it touches a script. License tiers so it knows what your plan can run. A tool reference so it stops guessing at tool names. And a mandatory pre-flight. A blocking checklist before it fires any backtest. That pre-flight is the highest value thing in the file. Ask an unprimed agent for a backtest and you'll often get one back with no trades and no explanation. Market data never synced or wrong input defaults. Silent failures. They don't error, they return nothing useful. The instructions make it resolve the account, compile the script and verify market data first, then set the order template. The other classic way, a backtest comes back empty. Click Create Project, and we're done. Let's prove it works. Open a task in the project and ask it to confirm which account it sees, list your active bots, and name the Haas script skills it has. You want a real account, real bot names, all 3 skills. If the skills don't appear, they didn't upload. Go back and check. Your Cowork project is now fully functional and is ready to handle your HaasBot requests. While we wait for Claude to do its work, here is another prompt to inspire you. Ask Claude to convert an open-source TradingView script into Haas script. For this example, we'll use Xiamen support and resistance indicator, copy the Pine script and notes into Claude, and prompt it as follows. Review Xiamen support and resistance approach and do a SWOT analysis on how useful this could be in Haas script. I've attached the Pine script and notes from TradingView. Now it's your turn to prompt away. Until next time. Thanks for watching, and if you need any further assistance or want to explore more features, be sure to check out our documentation at help.haasonline.com or join the community on Discord at haas.bot/discord. Happy trading!